How to fix the internet not working on your Nintendo Switch 2. So whether you're having issues connecting to the internet or you're already connected but for some reason it's not working, then in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix these issues. Now the first step is just to come over to your home screen, click on System Settings in this bottom navigation. From the left hand side, click on Internet, and then click on Test Connection. Now this will perform a quick test to ensure that your internet is actually working, and if any issues are detected then it's going to display it on this window here. Now once you've run this test, we can come back out of this window and we're going to click on Internet Settings in the top navigation, go and click on your internet connection and then select Change Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings and make sure this here is set to manual. We're then going to click on primary DNS and go and delete all of the numbers inside of this column and type in 1.1.1.1 and press OK. Then click on secondary DNS, delete all of the numbers inside of this field and type in 1.0.0.1 and press OK. You can then click save in the bottom right hand side and you can go check to see if that's now fixed your Wi-Fi network. If it's still not working, come back over to the settings page, click on airplane mode in the left hand side and make sure this option here is turned off and disabled. Once you've done that, we're going to perform a soft reset on our device. Now to do that, you just need to hold down the power button located on the top of your Nintendo, and we're going to keep holding this button down for around about 15 seconds. So you'll see the power options pop up like this. We're just going to ignore this and keep holding the button down. After 15 seconds have passed, the screen should go completely black. You can then release this button and then go and tap the power button to turn back on your Nintendo, and that should have now fixed any internet issues you were having. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.